We just landed in Nagpur. From now it's 130 kilometers. Tadoba is situated from here. We will be staying at a nearby hotel tonight, and tomorrow early morning we will be going to Tadoba. Really excited.
Yeah, so 12 hours more or less till we start for the Tadoba tomorrow morning. We have one safari planned tomorrow, and currently we are on our way and waiting for an Uber to go to our night stay for the day, which is Aditya Inn, and we will see you tomorrow in morning.
So we have arrived at MTDC resort. We are mesmerized by the beauty here, and the rooms are very comforting. Our safari will start at 1:30 p.m. They are now enjoying the view.
Yes, so finally we are here at MTDC Taroba, and currently we are exploring the place. It is a beautiful place, and with we have got our money's worth as far as the room rent is concerned. And so we have 2 hours now because the gypsies will be coming at around 1:45. So we are planning to explore the compound till then.
Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve is located in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra state in India. It is Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. Created in 1995, the reserve includes the Tadoba National Park and Andheri Wildlife Sanctuary. The reserve consists of 577.96 square kilometers of reserved forest and 32.51 square kilometers of protected forest. Many generations of tigers are living in this forest. Some notable tigers are Maya, Sonam, Lara, Tara, Choti Tara, Khali, Gabbar, Matkasur, Chota Matka, and many more. We just wanted to see one, and our wish did not get fulfilled in the afternoon safari of our first day. That night, we planned to do something adventurous. We went for a walk outside our MTDC resort towards the Moharli gate. It is a 20 minutes walk from our MTDC resort. It was totally dark outside. After covering 200 meters, it dawned on us that we were surrounded by forest on both sides of the road on which we were walking, and it was completely dark. It felt eerie, and we shivered by any kind of sound coming from the forest. It took us about 10 to 15 minutes to reach the gate. Inside the forest, some people were banging utensils and drums and lighting up firecrackers. We got scared and asked the guard about the situation. They told us that it was their duty every day so that animals do not come out of the forest. We came back to our resort quite fast after hearing that. Although it was a great experience and it lifted our mood, but later we found out that leopards cross that road many times in the night. The next morning, we left our resort for Devada buffer at about 5:30 am. Sometimes animals residing in the core forest came out to hunt or mark territory in the buffer zone. There are many buffer zones in Tadoba: Agarzari, Junona, Devada, etc. We booked our second safari in Devada. Since the buffer gate is about 6 to 7 km from our resort, we had to start early. We entered the zone at about 6:30 am. Although the forest was really scenic, again we have to come back with a sad heart with no sightings for us. The same happened in our third safari in the Moharli zone, but we did saw a parking there. All we left with was one safari the next morning. Someone we met in the resort told us that nobody returns home with an empty hand in Tadoba. With that thought in mind, we slept through the night. With great disappointment in our heart, we started our last safari. We were sad and all our hopes were lost. It was our last safari in the Moharli zone.
We can't speak right now, but we have seen the tiger lioness.
It was Chota Matkasur lying under the solar panel, and we all waited there with eyes fixed towards it and waiting for it to get up. Nearby, we heard some noises of people, and leaving behind Chota Matka, we went there. We found out Chota Matka's father, Matkasur, was lying beside the Pandarponi lake. We were amazed.
হাতে আছে না বডির কালারটা ঠিক Yeah, so 2 tigers in one safari after 3 blank safaris, and you cannot see Matkasur through this 11:16, but we'll try to show you.
কোথায় গেল ওই তো ইটস देयर एक मिनट इट्स देयर ही इज सिटिंग ही इज द फादर ऑफ छोटा मटका
बस ले लो, एक दो ले लो.
After getting some shots of Matkasur, we left for the gate since the safari time was getting over.
Okay, so he's the man.
हाँ मिल सकता क्यों नहीं.
So we are now leaving the forest after sighting 2 tigers.
এইটা প্রথম এই দিক দিয়ে গেলাম ওকে তারপর এই গেটটা
Devanjan?
Yeah, we are very happy. Finally, we have broken the curse. And so now we are returning towards the gate because we have to reach there by 10:30. And we hope to come back again to capture the females because it was all male tigers this time. So let's see.
2 tigers within 2 meter distance. Can't explain the too much dust, can't talk.
All of them?
2 male tigers, very much excited, Everest level high, Josh is very high. Oh, now it is too dusty.
One of them. What do you want to say?
Father and son, 2 tigers. That's all. All disappointment turn into Josh.
Okay, so we are leaving
Signing
now.
off from Tadoba.
We are leaving now. Bye.
While returning, suddenly the car stopped and we discovered a tiger cub.
So while returning from our third safari, we got the third tiger. It was the cub of Chotitara. So our count has been increased to 3. We are now returning towards airport.
Yeah, so just as I said, Matkapur was the best of the lot because it was really huge. So even from a lot of distance, it was appearing a huge male tiger. And we also got his son, which is known as Chota Matka here locally, and he is 3 years old. On our way back, as Pallavi said, we got a small cub, which is they are saying is of Chotitara. And so finally, after 3 blank safaris, we got the tiger, and we also got some other animals, but from the carnivores we got only tiger. So we expect to come back to see the females as well, like Maya and Sonam. So nothing much to say. Only one thing I will say, that I saw that. That's it. Bye bye.
So we are now signing.
Patience is an integral part of your adventure if you are a wildlife photographer. We learned this from our experience. Be it the dense mangrove forest of Sundarban or the National Park of Tadoba, all we have to do is wait patiently and nature will surprise you.